So as part of creating the menu for our On the Deck restaurant, we had to cost out all of the recipes on our menu. So that way when we simulated customers on Counta, we had a rough idea of what our profits would be. Now, as you can see here, I chose our recipe of steamed little neck clams to price out. And that includes 5 different ingredients. The recipe was obtained by allrecipes.com. And I'm going to show you how to price it out here. We'll start with the clams, which is not something you would want to buy at a local grocery store. It's something that has a local product and normally has local suppliers. And we know from experience here that you can get 100 clams for roughly $28. So if we do 28 divided by 100, we have a cost per clam, which is 28 cents. Multiply that by 12, we have $3.36, which is our cost for the clams in the dish. Next up, we have our white wine, and we need a quarter cup of white wine. Cooking wine will work just fine for this. Now here on the ShopRite Shop From Home website, I found the bottle of cooking wine, which is 16 fluid ounces for $1.99. A quick way to convert that to the measurements that we need is to go to Google and type in cup to fluid ounce, and this conversion machine comes in here. So I've typed in a quarter cup, and it tells me that is 2 fluid ounces. Now since our cooking wine is a bottle of 16 ounces, 16 divided by 2 is 8. So we know we can get 8 servings for what we need out of this bottle. So if we divide the sale price by 8, that gets our cost of 25 cents of the wine in this dish. Next up, we have the butter. We need 2 tablespoons of butter. So if we go back to the ShopRite Shop at Home website, type in butter, bring it up here, and we have 16 ounces of butter for $3.99. Once again, we can go to Google, tablespoons, 2 ounces. We know that we need 2 tablespoons of butter, which is 1 fluid ounce. So now we know that we can divide $3.99 by the 16 ounces of butter in this package to get our food cost for the butter, which also by chance happens to be 25 cents. And then the last 2 ingredients are seasonings, so I did them quickly before. That brings our total food cost to $4.01. Now this cost may be able to be brought down once the ingredients are purchased in bulk, but for this case, this is the price that we came up with, and now we know where we need to price our product to make sure that we run a profitable restaurant.